Okay, so today we are going to learn non-traditional strategies to solve addition equation. So we have the equation 355 plus 275. So we're going to start with estimation. So we're going to break these numbers down into numbers that are easier for us to work with. So I'm going to break it into 300 and then 55 and 275. These numbers can be a little friendlier, so we are going to round this down to 50, and we are going to round this to, or break it down further to 50 plus 25, so that equals 75. We're next going to add our hundreds together and our 50s together. So we get 500 and we get 100, and we're left with our 125, so we'll bring that down. We'll add our hundreds together and we get 600, and we'll add our 25 and we get 625. So we are estimating that 355 plus 275 is going to equal about 625. Next, we are going to use our base 10 blocks to solve the equation. So we have 355 represented by 3 hundredths flat and 5 rods of 10 and 5 individual ones. And then we have 275 represented by 2 hundredths flat, 7 rods of 10, and 5 individuals. So we are going to start by taking our 5 individuals from 355 and our 5 individuals from 375, and we are going to trade those out for a new rod of 10. So we can just leave that here. Next, we know that 10 rods of 10 will make up 100. So we're going to take all 5 of these from 355, and then we'll take an additional 5 from 275, and we are going to trade these ones in for another 100. So now we have 600 flats and 3 10 rods. So we get 630. So now we are doing a pictorial version of our base 10 blocks. So we're going to start by drawing it out. So we're going to draw 300 flats, 5 rods of 10, and then 5 individual ones. Here we're going to draw 200 flats, 7 rods of 10, and 5 individual ones. So we're going to start by focusing on our ones. We're going to combine 5 ones plus 5 ones to get 1 rod of 10. So we're trading those ones in for 1 rod of 10. Now we're going to do our 10s. So we're going to cancel out these 5 10s and cancel out 5 10s from over here. And together we're going to trade these 2 groups of 5 10s for 100 flat. And now we are going to add it up. So we have 3 hundredths plus 2 hundredths plus 100. So that's going to be 600 flats. And then we are going to take our 2 groups of 10 plus 1 group of 10 for 3 groups of 10. And this represents 600. And here we have 30. So together we have 630. For my personal strategy, we are going to be using a number line. So we're going to start by placing our biggest number on our number line. So that's 355. Next, we are going to break our other number, 275, into smaller numbers that we can easier add together. So let's break it down into 2 hundredths, 150, 120, and 15. So together, those numbers equal 275. We're going to add each of these numbers on our number line, and we'll get the final answer. So we're going to add 100. So that's going to be 455. We'll add our next 100. 555. Then we'll add 50. We're going to get 600 605. We'll add 20, 625, and then we'll add our last number, which is a 5, and we'll get 630. So if we remember back, we estimated that our answer was going to be 625, and the true answer is 630.